Digital contracts, what are they and why do teens love them? What is a digital contract? Digital contracts are agreements that you form and execute using digital methods. You can create, sign, and store contracts online without the hassle of printing, scanning, or mailing documents. It's all done electronically, which saves time and money. Why do teens love digital contracts? 5 reasons why teens love digital contracts. Customizable control. Seamless integrations. Organized. No recall or resend. Tracking and data. What can you use digital contracts for? Whatever type of contract you can think of, you can create it, negotiate it, and sign it using digital contracts. A few examples. Sales contracts. New hire documentation. Leases. How do digital contracts help you close deals faster? What can speed up your deal and get you to the close faster? The answer is digital contracts. It's mobile friendly. You can involve the decision makers. Only one version, no more resending. Double your sales productivity. Make data-driven decisions. Minimize